In today's video, I am doing a New Year's Eve makeup tutorial for you guys. As you can see, it's on this icy blue eyeshadow look with rhinestones. For some reason, January always reminds me of the color blue. I think it's because it's so freezing. I don't know what it is, but I thought, hey, let's ring in the new year with some blue eyeshadow and be different. You guys, I cannot believe it's going to be 2020. Like, are you for real? So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this icy blue eyeshadow look with the rhinestones, then just keep watching. To start off this makeup look, I'm going to be using the P. Louise eyeshadow base in Rumor number 2. You always want to start with a good base when you're doing any type of eyeshadows. Normally, if it's just an everyday makeup look, I'll just use concealer to prime my eyelids, but because I'm using really colorful colors and I want them to last all night long, then I'm using this eyeshadow base. The first eyeshadow palette I'm going to use is the Morphe 25L Lip and Color palette. All I'm using is this light blue eyeshadow. This color is really light to begin with, so I'm really packing the color on and blending it out, not being precise whatsoever, just really getting the color onto my lid and just really kind of smoking it out. To add more definition to the eye, I'm going to be going into this Makeup Revolution palette. This is in collaboration with Patricia Bright, and I'm going to take the shade Rich Rich. Now I'm gonna take this NYX pigment in Magnetic. It is so pretty. It's a really pretty silvery color. Now I'm going to create a really dramatic black wing eyeliner. I'm using the Kat Von D Ultra Ink Liner in Trooper Black. So I'm gonna finish up my skin, throw on some lashes, and then come back to finish the lower lash line and the lips. So I'll be right back. Now that our lashes are on, I'm going to finish up the lower lash line. Oh, look who came to see me. What's up, Chuck? Say hi. Hi. Hi, baby boy. Okay, to finish up the lower lash line, I'm going to go into that Makeup Revolution palette and use that same turquoise color and just really smoke out the bottom lash line. So I'm going to take Backstage and I'm going to focus that right on the outer half of the lower lash line. Then I'm going to blend that out with no additional product on this blending brush. Now I'm just going to add a little mascara to those bottom lashes. So for now, the eyes are pretty much complete. I am going to add some highlighter. And this is a new highlighter from Benefit Cosmetics. It is the Cookie Highlighter. I have to add some sort of bling, so I am going to add some rhinestones, and I'm going to only do it to the bottom half of my wing. So the way that I apply rhinestones to any eye makeup look is that I use an eyelash glue, and then I'm going to use this tool that I picked up from Michaels. So it has a little wax tip, so it makes it really easy to pick up the gems and place them where you want them. So I'm gonna put some of the eyelash glue on my hand, use an angled brush, and put that glue where I want the gems to go. Now I'm gonna take the tool, pick up a rhinestone, and place it on the glue. Rhinestones are complete. I even put 2 little ones in the corner just to bring it all together. So to finish this look off, I'm going to be using Kylie Cosmetics Kylie Lip Kit, and I'm not using the liner, I'm just using the lipstick. And then I'm going to also take a Kylie Cosmetics High Gloss in the shade 1 in a Billion. Okay guys, this is the final makeup look. I went ahead and just let my hair down, put on some earrings, put on these cute little clips that I got from my friend Hannah for Christmas. Thanks, girl. I believe they are from Forever 21. Actually, I have the little thing right here. Yep, Forever 21. One of my biggest goals that I want to do for 2020 is be more consistent here on YouTube, so you'll be seeing my face a lot more on here. The end of the year, I always reflect and kind of become a little bit emotional because It's just another year gone by, a new one's about to start, and just looking back at everything that I've done in 2019 is just really crazy. I never thought I would be able to have some of the opportunities that I was given in this year. And I'm so thankful for you guys, all your love, your comments, your messages. I can't thank you guys enough for believing in me and supporting me. You guys are truly amazing and I love you so much. So that's gonna wrap up this video. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Make sure to be safe out there on New Year's Eve. Have fun, take a shot or 2 or 3. I love you guys so much and I will see you next year. Peace out, hippies.